If you're using multiple AI tools just to create one video, one for images, one for video, one for voice, one for collaboration, this video will save you a lot of time and money. This is Topview AI Board 4.0, and it's not just another AI video tool. It's the world's first collaborative AI video creation board, meaning everything happens in one shared workspace. If you've ever used Figma for design, think of this as Figma for AI video creation. Instead of jumping between different websites and tools, one for images, one for videos, one for avatars, one for voiceovers, Topview brings everything together in one single board. You can generate images, turn them into videos, add AI avatars, create voiceovers, and even collaborate with your team in real time, all without leaving this workspace. And the best part, you get access to multiple AI models, all in one place, at creator-friendly prices that are actually cheaper than using official APIs directly. This isn't just about faster creation, it's about working smarter, whether you're solo or working with a full team. Now let me show you how this actually works in real life. I'm not going to explain this with slides. I'll build a project from scratch. Everything in Topview starts with a board. Think of a board as your entire video project. All ideas, assets, and feedback live here. Whether you're working alone, with a team, or even with a client, this board becomes your central workspace. As you can see, this is not just a dashboard, it's a visual workspace. You don't feel like you're inside a complicated AI tool. It feels clean, simple, and creative. One thing I really like here is sharing. You can invite team members, editors, or even clients into the same board. So instead of sending files back and forth, everyone works in the same space, in real time. Let's start creating content. First step, AI image generation. Inside the board, I just go to AI image, then text to image. This is where Topview becomes really powerful. You're not locked into one model. You can choose from multiple state-of-the-art AI image models, all inside the same platform. Seedream, GPT Image, Nano Banana Pro. These models are constantly updated, so you're always using the latest AI, without managing separate subscriptions. What I love here is efficiency. Instead of generating one image at a time, I can create multiple variations instantly. This is perfect for ideation, A/B testing, or client review. Now comes the truly exciting part, the moment where everything comes together. We're going to turn this image into a full video without exporting files, without switching platforms, and without breaking your creative flow. No downloads, no re-uploads, no wasted time. This is exactly what I mean by a continuous creation workflow. Inside Topview, image creation and video generation are deeply connected. Instead of generating an image in one tool, downloading it, and then uploading it into another platform, everything happens right here on the same board, in the same workspace. Your image is already there. Your next step is already waiting. With just a few clicks, you can transform that image into motion using powerful next-generation video models, like Kling, Seedance, and other cutting-edge options, all available in one single place. No setup, no confusion. Just choose the model and move forward. What makes this truly impressive is how natural and intuitive the process feels. You're not forced to learn a complicated system. You're not dealing with technical barriers. You're simply creating step-by-step, image, video, next asset, all connected in one smooth, uninterrupted flow. And just like with images, you stay in full control of your videos. You can review each result, rate the outputs, make improvements, and iterate instantly. This is incredibly powerful when you're testing multiple versions, comparing styles, or refining details. Even better, this workflow is perfect for teams and collaborations. Everyone stays on the same board, sees the same assets, and builds on the same creative direction. No files flying around, no miscommunication. This is what modern AI creation should feel like. Fast, seamless, intuitive, and creative first. This is where Topview truly separates itself from other AI tools. Most AI platforms are built for solo users. Topview is built for teams. Team members can leave comments directly on assets, images, videos, or avatars. No screenshots, no long email threads, no confusion. Everyone sees the same thing in real time. This makes it perfect for creator teams, agencies, and even client approvals. And once your visuals are ready, you can take things even further. Topview also includes AI avatars and AI voiceovers, right inside the same board. This is ideal for faceless channels, explainer videos, ads, and social media content. Again, no exporting, no switching platforms. So who is Topview AI Board actually for? In my experience, it's perfect. Social media content creators, e-commerce product videos, marketing teams and agencies, luxury commercial sample, fashion influencer video. From short-form content to full marketing campaigns, everything can be planned and produced here. What I personally love about Topview is how everything stays organized. You think, you create, you review, all in one place. If you're serious about AI-powered content creation, this is absolutely worth checking out. I've placed my affiliate link at the very top of the description. If you want to try Topview AI Board, that's the best way to get started.